Okay, so today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys on how to install the HP ILO4 fan hack. Now, for some odd reason, HP has really strict temperature requirements and their fan settings are high. I guess because they expect all the servers to be stacked in a data center. Well, the problem with this is if you're using it in a home rack, it's really loud. Behind me, I still have a jet engine. I still have to play with some things, but I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to install it. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do here is I'm going to go ahead and open up a browser, and I'm going to go ahead and type in GitHub HP ILO4 unlock fan, just like that. And you're going to see this one, ILO4 unlock a toolkit patching blah 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 blah. And we're going to go over here and we're just going to copy the HTTP base repository link. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and SSH into fixedpc.net. And I'm going to remove the old folder just so I can give you all a quick rundown. Now for this, you're going to want to make sure you're using bash. Just because you're going to be doing a Python virtual environment, and because of that, if you are in like a different shell, it might give you issues. In fact, it did for me, and it was generating the firmware, but it wasn't the patched one. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all what to do. So if you scroll down, what you're going to see, if you happen to be on Ubuntu, excuse me, if you happen to be on Ubuntu, you're going to do the sudo app add repository. It's going to add that repository that will have some of this other stuff in it, but because I'm on Dev1 with on a rolling release, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, and because I'm going to be doing it as root, I'm not even going to be needing to use the sudo prompt. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy from here to here, and just like this. So what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and download Python. It's going to do a git. It's going to make sure you have curl. And then down here, it's going to make sure it's curling this, which it's just pretty much downloading and blah, 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 sudoing. And then if you look over here, Python, it's installing a virtual environment. It's cloning the ILO4 unlock. And then it's CD, it's doing a CD into ILO. It's doing a CD into ILO4. Anyway, so we're just going to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Okay, now that we're in here, we did that. Now we're gonna do a build init, like that. Enter. All right. And then you're going to go ahead and do a build. This is going to be build. So the last one I worked on before they changed the firmware out is version ILO version 277. So you do this one and do build. And this part's going to take a while. Get ready to wait a good 5 or 10 minutes. Might even take a bit longer. It's going to go ahead and extract that firmware, then add some data to it to allow control of the fans. Then it's going to go ahead and rebuild. It's going to rebuild that binary, and then after that's finished, if you scroll down here, you're going to want to now this is if you're loading up the mod probe HP ILO. They're saying after this you're going to want to go ahead and do this. And then pretty much what he's doing is he's just, if you look right here, he's seeding in the binaries folder. He's doing that. So you're just going to want to literally copy and paste all this. Now, if you're not using a built-in kernel and you're doing mod probe, you're going to want to copy this too, but I'm doing everything built in, so that's not going to be for me. So instead, it's just going to go ahead and be this right here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this. And that's it. So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this. and then you're just gonna paste that in there. Now I'm not gonna do that because I can't flash it. So if I flash it, it's gonna go over. Since I already flashed, I'm not gonna do it again. You just copy and paste, press enter, and that's all you need. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and stop. Anyway, if you found this helpful, after that, I'll go ahead and exit here. Well, instead of showing you that, I'll just go straight over here to this page. And if you do look down here, here's the command usage for fan right here. And these are how you're going to input and output your commands. Okay. Anyway, if you thought the video was helpful, like and subscribe. Buy me a cup of coffee. I appreciate it. Thank you.